Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Blair, and today we're gonna do some football eats, some treats. So I'm gonna make 3 different ones. I'm gonna show them. I'm altering these a lot, but I will have all the original recipes in the description box, the links for the websites. But we're gonna make like a ham and cheese type slider thing that you bake in the oven using like King's Hawaiian rolls. Keep in mind I'm cutting these way down because it's just me and I don't want a ton of food. I'm also gonna do like some Parmesan garlic potato wedges. And then my favorite, which is more of a lighter treat, buffalo cauliflower in the air fryer. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the potatoes first because they're gonna take the longest in the oven. And let's get going. Okay, so potatoes are in the oven. The next thing we're gonna do is the ham cheese slider things that I'm gonna put into the oven as well, and then we'll do the cauliflower last. Again, I'm definitely altering this recipe, so if you want the regular one, it'll be linked below, and then I'll show you the variation I'm making. last one, like I said, which is a lighter one, is buffalo cauliflower. This one's going in the air fryer. Again, very simple, but very tasty. That's in the air fryer. I'm gonna clean up at the 7-minute mark or halfway point. I'm gonna shake those. Also, I didn't mention it, but with the sliders, after 20 minutes, you're gonna, or 15, I'm doing it because I have it at a higher set oven because of the potatoes. So when I take the sliders out in 15, I'll take the cover off of it, the tin foil, and then let it cook for a little bit longer. But I'm gonna tidy up while I'm waiting for all of that stuff. So there you have it, ham and cheese with pickle, little sliders. And then your garlic Parmesan potato wedges. I did a little ranch for dipping sauce, and then the buffalo cauliflower. This probably is enough for 2 people. I might have overestimated when I made it. Overestimated when I made all this food. But it should be tasty. I'll eat what I can and then save the rest for later. But I hope you enjoyed getting to see some football treats. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.